Jamie Robertson flying the iTroPro Nightbird.
With a V-bar, which makes him really happy.
Yes, we got the V-bar on there, baby. V-bar goodness. I expect some sort of epic dismount. Yes. Yes. Pinion's having a hard time keeping up. Oh, she's giving up on us. A little rich, Rusty.
Smoke got thin.
I can't see the smoke. Just trying to keep up.
Yeah, baby.
Yes. Yes. That'll break the boom off your average goblin. Yes. Yes.
Last time it was down that far.
Yes, it ended up in the crawfish pond. Yes.
Here we go, epic dump.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Pinion staying with
looks
it.
like a tadpole, man.
Yes. Or a sperm. Yes.
The nuclear tadpole.
Yes. Yes. I suddenly realized why the screen looks out of focus, Rusty. I don't have my glasses on. Yes. A lot of people don't realize Pinion wears glasses. Yes. iTroPro is hot tonight, baby. Jamie's really spanking it. Yes.
Yeah! Yeah, baby!
Lower is better. Yes.
He may have finger fatigue for flying more than 4 minutes, though.
Yes. He's got a whole bag of tricks.
That's wicked.
He has got a bag of tricks, baby. Yeah.
How much that disc was doing, you can't see in the day.
No, you
Did you watch that outer red ring? It was just
Yeah. Every time he does that, I'm reminded of the last thing a bug sees. Yes. He hits the windshield. Yes.
Stop laughing, Jamie. You're not supposed to laugh.
Yeah, don't have any fun.
Yes, there it is, baby. Jamie's giving the iTroPro a good thrashing. Yes. He's going to take that a line. Yes. Mikado's got your number. Yes. Pinion's having a hard time keeping up. Yes. Yes, he would disown the goblin. Yeah. iTroPro hangs in there. And those links have about 500 flights on them. Yes. Yes.
See it bleed off? That's
Yeah.
a mid too lean. Mid too lean.
Yes. I think he's going to try to land it inverted. Yes. That's V-bar goodness right there, baby. Yes. Feel the power of the V-bar.
God dang, that's cool.
Yes, it's very cool. Yes. If Pinion did that, he would crash right there. Yes.
I think most of us would.
He's gone on a amazing expedition. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, baby. Nice.
He's bringing it around. Yes. You can't fool Pinion. I'm staying with you, Jamie. Yes. He tried to fool Pinion. Yes. And he said he didn't have 7 minutes worth of tricks. Yes.
That's more like 6.
Yes. But we don't have to worry about the fuel quantity on the iTroPro because the fuel tank is lighted. Yes.
It autos real good, Jamie.
Yes. That's because of those big-ass batteries on the blades. Yes. Lots of inertia. Here he comes.
Sliding auto?
Jamie
No
Robertson.
sliding, no sliding.
Yeah.
It's got wires wrapped. You can.
Yes, he's going to make an epic landing right here in front of Pinion. Yes, Jamie, you rock, my friend. Yes. Give it up for Jamie Robertson. Yes.
Hey, Jamie.
Sulphur Fun Fly 2012.
Hey, Russ, hang on.